Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the controller and Motion Plus, so start now. Insert 2 fresh AA batteries, attach the external Motion Plus accessory until it clicks, and replace the battery cover. Make sure the wrist strap is secure. Power the Wii and press the red sync button on the console, then immediately press the sync button on the remote. Once the LEDs flash, confirm the controller number. This quick pairing links the Motion Plus sensor to the console, so you can move on to calibration. Once paired, calibrate so the Motion Plus reports accurate rotation and tilt. Make sure the sensor bar sits about 3 to 6 feet away and is centered. Glare or reflections will confuse the sensors. Open a compatible game or the Wii controller settings and follow the on-screen calibration prompts. Hold the remote level, point directly at the sensor bar, and slowly tilt or rotate when asked. This process aligns the gyroscope and accelerometer with the sensor bar, so you're finished by testing controls in a motion-heavy section of a game. Make sure rotation is smooth and there's no drift. If movement feels off, power down, reset the external Motion Plus or confirm the built-in unit is locked, and check battery contacts. Make sure the Wii has any required controller updates, then rerun calibration. If problems persist, here's one key fix: resync the remote to the console, replace batteries with known good cells, and restart the Wii. That sequence resolves most drift and connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.